How to turn off or on show up icon badges on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on show up icon badges on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications. Now click on the second option, which is show up icon badges. Here you can turn on or off this option whatever you want or whatever you are comfortable with. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.